Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Facts Hacks. Today I'm going to show you one of the most powerful hidden features on Samsung Android phones. Secure Folder. If you want to protect your private photos, apps, or files from prying eyes, this is a must-know feature. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Secure Folder? Secure Folder is a private, encrypted space on your Samsung phone. It works like a phone inside your phone. Anything you put inside, photos, videos, apps, files, is completely hidden and protected with password, PIN number, pattern, or even fingerprint. Even if someone unlocks your phone, they can't access Secure Folder without the extra lock. Let me show you how to set it up. Step 1. Go to Settings. Step 2. Tap Security and Privacy. Step 3. Tap More Security Settings. Step 4. Tap Secure Folder. Step 5. Sign in with your Samsung account. Step 6. Choose your lock type, PIN number, password, pattern, or fingerprint. Once done, Secure Folder will appear in your app drawer or on your home screen. You can even hide it completely so no one knows it exists. How to move files or apps. To move files, open Secure Folder, tap Add Files. Choose Images, Videos, Documents. Select Files, tap Done. To move apps, open Secure Folder, tap Add Apps. Choose apps from your phone. Apps inside Secure Folder are separate copies, like having 2 WhatsApps or 2 galleries. How to remove files or apps. To remove files, open Secure Folder. Select the file, tap Delete. To remove apps, tap and hold the app, tap Uninstall. How to log out safely. To lock Secure Folder quickly, open Secure Folder, tap the 3-dot menu, top right. Tap Lock and Exit. Once locked, everything inside is completely hidden again. Benefits of using Secure Folder. Here's why you should use it. Privacy protection. Keep personal files safe. Hide sensitive apps, banking, chats, or work apps. Separate work and personal life. Extra security layer, even if phone is unlocked. Duplicate apps. Use 2 accounts on the same app. Peace of mind. No one can snoop around. That's it. Now you know how to fully use Samsung's Secure Folder like a pro. If you found this helpful, like the video. Comment below. Subscribe for more Android hacks. See you in the next one.